Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am here with my sister Marnelia, and she is going to explain to me and to the rest of us how to use I can't take it out, the Herbalife nutrition line. So hang on.
Okay, so first the shakes. So
Okay.
This is the protein.
Okay, so this right here is the protein drink that you mix in with the healthy meal. And this time, whoops. And this time I got the flavor of dulce de leche, which, as you guys know, I had gotten the vanilla last time. Next.
This is my favorite one, and it's the best.
There you
to me,
go.
it's the best one.
So I'll let you guys know if it's my favorite.
So to replace a meal,
Okay.
you are going to use 2 scoops of each.
Okay.
To replace one meal.
Okay.
But if you're gonna replace a snack, then it's 2 and 1.
Okay.
So 2 of the protein and 1
And,
of the healthy
and
meal.
one of the healthy meals. You guys got that?
Okay, so this one is the Prolesa Duo.
Okay.
Which this one is the one that's gonna help you to suppress hunger.
Okay.
And it helps the fat reduction too.
Okay.
To reduce fat.
So this is what she's talking about. It's called Prolesa Duo, and it's supposed to suppress hunger. You guys know I need that because I'm always hungry.
So when you make your shake in the morning, let's say if you're gonna replace your breakfast,
My meal,
yeah, you're going to make this first. So you're going
2
to
and
blend
2.
it. Yeah, you're going to blend
Okay.
it. Once it's blended, then you're gonna shake this always first.
Okay.
And then the scoop that's in there, you're gonna add to your shake.
To the shake. Okay.
You can either, it's best just to like mix it with a spoon for 5 to 10 seconds.
Okay.
But it does get chunky,
Okay.
and it does change the flavor a little bit.
Okay, that's fine.
But because it's too chunky and you're not gonna like, I don't like it like that. I actually just eat it.
Oh, okay. I can eat it as well.
So I eat it and then drink my shake.
Okay.
But you can add it to your shake, and it's like you're gonna blend it on the lowest setting for 5 seconds.
Okay.
6, 7 the most.
Okay.
Because you don't want to break down the
enzymes
product.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Got it.
and that's once a day only.
I have to smell it.
It has no smell.
Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. And it has a lid, so next time.
And then this is your tea and your aloe.
Okay.
So this is the tea, which it helps supports your boost your metabolism,
Okay.
and together it helps you with your digestive system.
Okay.
And this is aloe.
So I have here the tea, and I have it in raspberry flavor, and then the aloe I have in cranberry flavor, and these two go together. Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
these two go together.
And this one is half a teaspoon.
And it brings something in there or no?
It's powder.
No, but does it
No,
bring?
no.
Okay.
So, I mean, you bake, so
Exactly. I'm a baker, as you guys know, so I have every measurement.
yes, you do. So half a teaspoon.
Okay.
Okay, and you're going to do 2 full cups of this,
Okay.
and 8 ounces of water.
Okay.
You know, for your tea. You can do up to 2 times a day.
So we can do this when we come back from our workout? Or is this
I will do it before because this is energy. You know.
Okay.
You can do
Okay.
this. It's not a pre-workout.
Okay.
It's a tea.
Okay.
But it does boost your energy. It doesn't make you jitter or nothing, you know.
Okay.
And it helps with your digestive system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So excited.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little mini video with my sister Marnelia. And now we're off to the gym to work out. And I will see you guys a little bit later on. Bye guys, thanks for watching. So we are back from the gym. What a workout. She is an excellent trainer. She's not really a trainer, but she's my trainer. So she told me I'm gonna try the dulce de leche because I love dulce de leche. And she told me to shake it up first.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing. Shake, shake, shake. And then I'm going to open this.
And find the scoop.
And I see the scoop already. The smell. So good.
And it tastes like it smells.
So then we're going to add the same thing as before, except it's going to be the healthy meal dulce de leche along with the protein drink, and we're going to add in for the first time the Prolesa Duo to kill my effing fat. It needs to be killed. Okay, so where is my cup? So
Water first.
Oh, water first. Hang on.
But close this, so you know.
You see, this is
Keep
why.
that.
Oh, wrong. Okay.
Just keep it close while you find your water.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. So I added about a little over the 100 mark. And now we're going to pour in the healthy meal first.
Or whatever, it doesn't matter.
Okay, we'll do the protein drink mix first. 1 scoop or 2?
2 scoops because
Two
you're replacing
scoops, okay.
a meal.
So we're gonna do 2 scoops of the protein drink. She's awesome. I don't know why she doesn't come vlog with me.
Maybe because I live like 40 miles away.
Yeah, that could be the reason. So 2 scoops of that, and then 2 scoops of the healthy meal.
Which this is the #1 meal replacement in the whole worldwide.
Made a mess.
That happens.
By the way, if you guys want to hook up with Herbalife, she's the girl to contact. I am going to leave all of her information down below in the comment box so that you guys can hit her up with any questions you may have. Shout out to my girl. Okay, so I did 2 of those, and now 1 scoop of the Prolesa.
No.
Oh.
Now we're gonna fill it up with water.
Okay.
With the rest of the water.
Be right back. So first I'm going to mix this part together. And you guys know how this works. It makes a lot of noise, remember? So every time you're going to use the Prolesa Duo, you have to shake it up. So that's what I'm...
Because sometimes the ingredients can sit at the bottom.
Okay.
So you want it to mix.
And she's also telling me I have 2 options, or you guys can have 2 options in how you drink this. You can either just drink the scoop right out of the container,
and then the shake after.
or and then the shake after, or you can add it into your drink, into your shake. But she's also saying that this will change the taste of the shake a little bit. So it's really up to you. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may put it in the shake because I don't really know how I feel about powder in my mouth.
You can literally choke on it. It happened to me the first time. I didn't know, and I almost choked on it. And yeah, I had to learn how to do it little by little. But I don't mind that it changes a little bit, and it's only once a day, you know, so it really doesn't matter. So my breakfast, you know, is my shake.
That's what you put in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna pour it in there now. So be right back. Okay, so we created a mess. What a surprise. She's telling me to only blend it with the Prolesa in there for like 5 seconds. So I'm gonna have Echo set the timer. Echo, 5-second timer.
5 seconds, starting now.
Now the moment of truth. Let's see what this tastes like. I like it.
Yeah. I like it too.
Like the next time when I don't drink it with the Prolesa, I'll see the difference in taste.
In taste, yeah.
Yeah. So what
It's a huge
what is it that the Prolesa Duo does?
So it suppresses the hunger, and so it doesn't really suppress it, but it definitely helps you control your hunger, you know, throughout the day.
And like your cravings,
like
for
cravings,
sweets and
anxiety, and stuff like that.
Okay.
And it's a fat reduction. This is actually CLA in powder.
Awesome.
So yeah.
Yeah, because I have a lot of fat that needs to be reduced.
Yeah, me too.
this. Okay, anything else you'd like to add about the product?
I mean, they're great. They work, you know.
They are the only ones that have every single vitamin and mineral that your body needs.
Yeah.
I have looked, I have checked, I have been all over Amazon, I have been all over every health food store, and none of them have all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Alrighty guys, that's gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna put them all up here so you guys can take a really good look at them. And like I said, if you want the Herbalife nutrition, if you want to start a healthy life, she is the one to contact. And once again, I will add all of her information down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is goodbye for real now. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.